Hello, data science is a highly growing field to build your career. As you know, data science is field which is in demand nowadays. Nowadays, the buzzword data science, data analytics, business analytics, machine learning, deep learning, and artificial intelligence is in air. With this talk, I would like to highlight about these fields and also discuss about career opportunities in these particular fields. So, we will talk about various opportunities available in this particular field. We have some buzzwords around, and these buzzwords are data science, data analytics, business analytics, machine learning, deep learning, artificial intelligence. So let us know about them one by one. This is one of the very promising field which we will generate thousands of employment in coming future. But it requires specialized technical skill, knowledge, and in this lecture, I am focusing on what kind of technical skills require and what all prospects are available in this field. Data analytics refers to the qualitative and quantitative techniques and processes used to enhance productivity and business gain. Data is extracted and categorized to identify and analyze behavioral data and patterns, and techniques vary according to organizational requirements. So, is there a difference among data analytics and data analysis? Yes, data analytics is broader term which include data analysis as well. Data analysis refers to the process of compiling and analyzing data to support decision making, whereas data analytics also includes the tools and techniques used to do so. So, what is data mining? Okay, data mining doesn't comprise of any visualization tool, whereas data analytics is always accompanied by visualization tools. Data mining is generally used for the process of extracting, cleaning, learning, and predicting from data. Data analytics is more for analyzing data. One more buzzword is business intelligence. So, what is business intelligence? BI or business intelligence is a set of process, architectures, and technologies that convert raw data into meaningful information that drives profitable business actions. It is suite of software and services to transform data into actionable intelligence and knowledge. Data science is a multidisciplinary field that uses scientific methods, processes, algorithms, and systems to extract knowledge and insights from structured and unstructured data. Data science is a concept of unified statistics, data analysis, machine learning, and their related methods in order to understand and analyze actual phenomena with data. It employs techniques and theories drawn from many fields within the context of mathematics, statistics, computer science, and information science. One of the important job role and very promising job role includes data scientist. In the past decade, data scientists have become necessary assets and are present in almost every organization. These professionals are well-rounded, data-driven individuals with high-level technical skills who are capable of building complex quantitative algorithms to organize and synthesize large amount of information used to answer questions and drive strategy in their organization. This is coupled with the experience in communication and leadership needed to deliver tangible results to various stakeholders across an organization or business. Data scientists need to be curious and result oriented with exceptional industry specific knowledge and communication skill that allow them to explain highly technical results to their non-technical counterparts. They possess a strong quantitative background in statistics and linear algebra as well as programming knowledge with with focuses in data warehousing, mining, modeling to build and analyze algorithms. The skills needed to become data scientists are programming skills, which include anyone from SAS, R, or Python, statistical and mathematical skills as well. One should be good at storytelling and data visualization. So, knowledge about visualization tools like Tableau will definitely add an advantage. Of course, having Edge or Hadoop or Spark will give a very good boost in the career, and finally good knowledge of SQL, machine learning and deep learning will be essential. The journey in data science is not overnight journey. You need to work step by step and firmly. Just by using few algorithms or machine learning tasks doesn't make you data scientist. I personally believe that it is long journey and you have to work firmly and in many directions. It is a journey where you keep learning. Second job profile is data analyst. Data analysts bridge the gap between data scientists and business analysts. They are provided with questions that need answering from organization and then organize and analyze data to find results that align with high-level business strategy. Data analysts are responsible for translating technical analysis to qualitative action items and effectively communicating their findings to diverse stakeholders. Skills needed to become a data analyst include programming skills in any of the SAS, R, or Python, good statistical and mathematical skill, good at data wrangling and data visualization tools. The third and one of the promising career is an data engineers. The role of data engineer is to manage exponential amounts of rapidly changing data. They focus on development, deployment, management, and optimization of data pipelines and total infrastructure of transform and transfer data to data scientists for querying. Skills required to become data engineer includes age over programming languages like Java or Scala, then no SQL databases that will be either MongoDB or Cassandra DB, etc., and framework like Apache Hadoop. Now, one important aspect of data science, you must have heard of some buzzwords. Those includes machine learning, artificial neural network, convolution neural network, artificial intelligence, robotics, etc., etc. How to start the journey in this and how promising the career is? Well, we already saw the job as data scientist, analyst, or engineer in very much in demand. It is highly paid job and have excellent future scope, but how to begin this journey and what is the path to learn? I'll say the start with first of all start with the Python. If your concept is clear about structured programming language and concepts of object-oriented features, then for you learning the Python won't be a problem. Fundamentals of SQL and data structure will be an added advantage. Python is having excellent support and very efficient libraries, and that makes it very rich as far as working and utilizing it for machine learning. So start learning Python. Once you are done with the fundamentals of Python and efficient as far as its concepts like lists, tuples, dictionaries, etc., go ahead and work with two important libraries, pandas and numpy. Work on these two and also go through their very important methods. Use data frame and handle database. Next step is go through some fundamentals of statistics like mean, median, interquartile range, that is IQR, outliers, p-value, etc. You need to understand some fundamentals of hypothesis testing concepts, data distribution, parametric and non-parametric test, etc. It will give you good sight in this field and will be added advantages for you to work with. Data visualization is one of the important part. You need to understand the data patterns and know the insights using data visualization tools like Tableau. Using Python matplotlib library, you can plot various graphs as well. Now, it is time to start with machine learning. Most important part is data wrangling. You should understand how to clean and prepare the data. It is important to learn this as 90% of task is efficiently done if your data is of very good quality. Remember to work extensively on four important libraries of Python, namely NumPy, Pandas, scikit-learn, and matplotlib. After this, start working on machine learning. First, go through supervised learning, particularly simple regression problems, and then go ahead with the multivariate regression. The next part is classification problem, that include logistic regression, prediction problems, learn market basket analysis, clustering, prediction models, etc. Working with structured data on various problems will give you good exposure. It is also essential to participate in various hackathons, competitions, register yourself at Kaggle and work on various problems exist over there. It will give you excellent idea. Join some good groups where you can discuss about the field. Achieving good certification from prominent courses offering sites will also add an advantage. It will add flavor in your profile. Next step is learn unsupervised machine learning. Work on it. Work on various problems in same way you did for supervised machine learning. Once you are familiar and confident with all these algorithms, start working on some projects which are already available on various sites. It will boost your confidence. Don't worry about remembering all codes to implement algorithms. You should understand what you are doing, not necessary to remember the codes. With practice, you will be comfortable with it. It is also necessary to understand the convolution matrix, knowing how to test the models and improving the accuracy, specificity, sensitivity is also important. Now, now it is time to work on neural network and work on it. I highly recommend you to understand the concepts of deep learning. First, you should need to understand the problems like gradient descent problems and mathematics behind it. Although you don't need to derive it as you have functions relevant to this already available. But understand the concepts always makes you more confident. Start working on problems of forward propagation, learn about activation functions and which one is better to use at hidden layers and at output layers. Start working on back propagation as well. Also, and once you are clear about the concepts of vanishing gradient, descent problem, and activation functions, you go ahead and start working on TensorFlow Keras. Okay, Keras is also essential to learn and work with. Using deep learning, solve various problems to implement regression and classification problems. Using Keras or TensorFlow, you can work on object identification problems, natural language processing problems, recommender systems, real-time data processing, sound, signal processing, etc., etc. And these are very promising fields to work with. So, with my concluding note, I would like to reiterate that data science, machine learning, deep learning, artificial intelligence, very promising field. Currently, it is only at very primary stage, and the speed at which it is growing, the future is amazingly lucrative for career point of view. Hope you had reasonably good idea about this field, and you must be thinking of working in this direction. Share this information with your students and others. Share, learn, and grow. Have a wonderful day. Thank you very much.